In today's episode, you will get 5% discount on all the sarees for Independence Day. Again with Tasar. Starting with Tasar, saree number 1. This is saree number 1. Gachi Tasar, block print. Just check the color combination. It's very beautiful. This portion is for border. Kalamkari print, but these all are hand block print. Moss green with black. This is the entire look of the sari. I will show you the draping view, and the price is 6350 with silk mark, but you will get 5% discount on all the saris from today's episode. Sari number 1. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Here comes the blouse piece. Booking number is 9330866384. Entire look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot. Moving to the next one, I'm going to show you some printed Tasar first, then I will show you Tasar alcohol painting. Just see another beautiful sari. See the color combination of the sari. This is sari number 2. It's a combination of blue. This portion is for palla. You will get 5% discount on the price which I am mentioning. While booking, I will give you the exact price, but you will get 6350 is the price, and you will get 5% discount on all the saris with free shipping. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Here comes the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece separately. Just see, this is the blouse piece, a printed one. Here comes the entire look of the sari. Sari number 2. Sari number 2. This is sari number 2. Moving to the next one. I would like to thank all my clients, Kolkata clients, for your visit during exhibition. With your support, I am really grateful. Sari number 3, another beautiful one, very sober, very corporate look sari. Just check the color combination. It's a very light pista green, pastel shade, definitely pastel shade. This portion is for palla. All over the sari you will get this type of polka dot. Only polka dot. There is no border. Only polka dot you will receive. It's a very smart looking sari. This is the look, entire look, palla, and here comes the another smart blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Just check, if you wear this sari with this type of blouse, it will look really great. This is the entire look of the sari. Price will remain same, 6350, and you will get 5% discount with free shipping. This offer will be valid till 15th of August. So this is another one, another beautiful printed Tasar. See, all this done. This portion is for palla, and see the body part. It's like patola. The block print has been made with the patola block. Just check the patola block. It's a very unique one. Rani and orange combination with sandalwood border. This portion is the border. Entire look of the sari. Just see, it's a very smart one. Just see. For booking, take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Sari number 5. Another beautiful sari. Another beautiful sari. I will show you the entire view. It's a very traditional block. Just check the block print. This is the block for palla. Here comes the entire body. Here comes the entire body. Just see. This is the gun spray technique has been used in this sari. Mustard yellow, ochre yellow with, this is mustard yellow with brown. You may not, colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any clarification or the picture, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, I will explain you. This is the look of the sari. Just see, entire look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. And here comes the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece with a very traditional block. Just see, with a very traditional block. Price remains same, 6350, and you will get 5% discount on all the sarees from today's episode. This one is another tussar, and you know the quality of the tussar. I would request all my clients, those who have taken sarees, please give the feedback on my YouTube channel. This is sari number 6, alcohol painting on tussar. I have shown this type of sari on silk. This alcohol painting on silk I have shown, but this one is on tussar. Price is 6950. The price of this sari is 6950. Just check the color combination, and this is with a border only. Both side border and palla. Here comes the blouse piece. This is the entire look of the sari. Very elegant and very sober one. Price is 6950, on which you will get 5% discount. 6950. Moving to the next one. This is sari number 7, grey color. I will show you the entire view definitely. Requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Just check the color combination of the sari. Another beautiful sari. Another beautiful sari, alcohol painting on tussar, gachi tussar. All are premium quality tussar with silk mark, with free shipping. Price is 6950, and you will get 5% flat discount on all the saris till 15th August. This is the look. It's a combination of bluish grey with this type of work. Just check the color combination. Along with this sari, you are getting a blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece. Another beautiful sari. Price is 6950. After discount, you will get 5% discount on all the saris. Moving to the next one, this is sari number 8. 8 is, as you know, in tussar, all the colors looks very matte. This is another sari. Another sari. Palla part. This portion is for palla. All the saris are of gachi tussar with silk mark. Price is 6950, and you will get 5% flat discount on all the saris. Here comes the, you can pay through Google Pay. This is another one. Both side you are getting border. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Here comes the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. Price is 6950. Requesting all of you to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. See, another beautiful color combination. We must salute the artisans for this type of unique job which they have done. I am just representing all the work they have done. This is another one. Another one. See the color combination, see the neatness of the work. These all are painting, alcohol painting. We call it alcohol painting. This is another beautiful sari with the virgin color of tussar. See, it will be like this. See, this is the entire look of the sari. Price is 6950. All are gachi tussar with silk mark. Just check. This is the look of the sari. This is the entire look, and along with this sari you are getting a contrast blouse piece. contrast blouse piece with this sari. Price remains same, 6950. 6950. Moving to another one. This is sari number 10. Sari number 10. See, this one is very beautiful. Just check. You are getting this type of work. I will show you the dripping view. See, this is the look of the sari, entire look of the sari, and the color is, it's very difficult to explain the color. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, I will explain you. I can show you the sari. This is the look. These all are pastel shade. It's a sort of peach color, but it is a darker shade of peach. This is the look. How do you like the sari? Please do comment regarding the saris. How do you like them? And here comes the blouse piece. Requesting all of you to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Just see, another beautiful sari. Just see the another excellent work. Here comes the palla. Again, I will show you the dripping view of the sari. This palla, it's a long palla. It will continue till the front part. Just see. And here comes the body part. This is light orange type. Light orange. I can say light orange. Very light orange. As you know, on Tassar, all the colors looks very matte. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9330866384. Here comes the blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Sari number 12. Sari number 12. Just have a look on this. This sari is also very beautiful. This is lavender color, which is very uncommon for Tassar. Here comes the palla. This is the palla part. Look at the style of this sari. This design will come in the front part. In the front part, this will come, and then you will get this type of work for the back part, or it will cover half of the pleats. Just see, this is the look of the sari. Here comes the entire look of the sari with the lavender color. Material is Gachi Tassar with silk mark. Price is 6950. Price is 6950. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. From today's episode, you will get 5% flat discount on all the saris. And here comes the blouse piece. Booking number, I repeat, 9330866384.